Okay, welcome to how to make a digital breakout. This is going to be a correction actually. This is going to be a correction video. So hopefully, or presumably you've gone through all 7 videos. And this is a slight correction for video 7 that I'm going to post here. In video 7, we build the Google site and we attach all the links, all the puzzles that we've made to the Google site. And this is that video. And right about here, I talk about how to set up 2 of the links, and it's an error how I tell you to set them up. So I wanted to correct that. So here's the video part.
Not already, but so we're going to click on every one of these. You see there it went from off.
This.
One click, and I can Control C. I have a Mac, so it's Command C, but Control C to copy the link, and then I go back to the demo. I click on the image I want to attach the link to, and I can hit that link icon and Control V or Command V.
Okay, so in this video, or in this part of the video, I was making the link for this icon in the site and also for this icon in the site. Both of these icons, I set up a link to go to a Google form for the students to fill out, and we made the forms in previous videos. But in this video, telling you to go to here and to get the link from here was incorrect, because this link, if you copy this link and paste it into your site, what it's going to do is give your students a way to view the actual form in edit mode. So you don't really want to do that. So I'll just show you what it looks like if I view the published site. When I click on this one, instead of taking the students to the form to fill out, it's taking them to edit the form. So those 2 were both forms, and those 2, we want to correct that. So here, I'm going to click on those 2 icons, and I'm just going to trash. I don't want to do that. I actually want to click the link, and I want to change this link. So I could trash the link. So now there's just there shouldn't be, oh, the link is still there. Well, I'm going to just, I'm going to write over that link, I guess. Yeah. And I'm going to write over this link. Oh, here it is. There it shows up. So here's the link that it's going to take me to, and I want to trash the link. So now when I go here, I need to see nothing. So let me see if I can, yeah, do that there as well. Okay, so I've trashed the 2 links, and so now rather than going here and linking to the actual editable form, you have to go into your edit mode for the form, and then you want to click on send, and this is where you get the link. And you can shorten the URL if you want, but you can get the link here. So you'll Control C, you'll copy it there, and then this was for the syllabus quiz. So the process is the same, it's just the link, how I told you to get this link before was incorrect. So then for the computer lab, this is the editable form. I click send, link, shorten it. I can Control C or click copy, either one. Then I'm going to paste and apply. Everything else is set up the way it was in video 7. I'm going to republish the site, and then I'm going to view the published site. And it should be, I know sometimes it takes a minute, but if I click these now it's taking me to fill out the form and submit, not to edit the form. So the last thing I want to mention is that a little bit earlier in this video 7, this breakout site video that I'm making the correction for, at 8:15, so before I told you how to copy the links, I mentioned that you can click on these to open the sharing preferences. So I still maintain that sometimes that needs to be done. So if students click on any of these links in your site and are getting an error that they can't access it and need permissions, one of the things I still do is I come here and I will just make sure the sharing is on, even though I'm not using this link for those items. I will make sure the sharing's on. So keep that in mind if students are having some sort of access problem. But also, I often republish the site just to make sure everything is fresh. And so, okay, I think that's it. All right, I hope it goes well. Please email me and let me know how it's going. You can reach me at edanderson@fcps.edu, and I'd love to see your sites and see what you guys put together. All right, enjoy. Thanks for watching.